This week in life insurance, we're counting down the 5 most popular topics we talked about this year in our This Week in Life Insurance series. Coming in at number 5 are 2 product categories that did very well this year. No surprise, annuities and VUL. Now, annuities really benefited from the high interest rate environment, which made them an attractive option, while VUL benefited from new product developments that made it an attractive option for folks who might have been considering something like private placement life insurance, but didn't have either the net wealth or the investable amount of cash to put into one of those policies. And for the foreseeable future, both these products should continue to do well. Number 4 is diversity, and we've talked about this a lot. The face of wealth is changing, especially in this country, and the life insurance industry needs to do more to reflect that change and address previously underserved markets. It kind of frustrates us a little bit that the industry kind of throws its hands up and doesn't know what to do to solve this problem when the problems and the solutions are fairly obvious. So hopefully we'll see some positive change in that coming up in 2024. The number 3 most popular topic was interest rates. We predicted this would be a big issue at the beginning of the year, and it definitely was. Interest rates remained high throughout the year, and we saw that affect the industry in many ways, including the continued weakness in the premium financing sector of the market, as well as some changes to products that made them slightly better for customers in terms of caps and guarantees. Now, with interest rates apparently going down in 2024, we'll see how that impacts the industry coming forward in the year ahead, and again, it'll probably be a big issue in the new year. Our number 2 most talked about topic was private placement life insurance. We saw a ton of inquiries coming into our business about private placement life insurance from all parts of the industry, from the end consumer, from money managers, and even from people in the industry who wanted to learn more about this product so they could help serve their clients. Now, we don't think this is going to go away in the new year either. We're seeing more entrants into this marketplace. There's rumors of a big carrier that's going to launch a private placement product sometime soon, hopefully in the new year. And with the rise of SMAs as an underlying investment option, it's becoming a more attractive option for RIAs and family offices to use with their clients. So we expect to continue to see the interest in private placement grow over the year ahead. And the number 1 most talked about issue this year, deals, deals, deals. We saw a lot of deals happening this year, really in almost every part of the market, from the big carriers that were purchased to small producers that were acquired by larger consolidating groups. And, a lot of that was being driven by private equity. And given the amount of dry powder that private equity has to be able to invest in companies and the attractiveness of the life insurance industry and its cash flows to private equity investors, we also imagine that this trend will continue in the new year as well. So there you have it, the 5 biggest trends and topics we talked about this year. That's all for this week. We hope you have a great new year, and we'll talk to you soon.